All right, you all, let's start off with number one. Now, I got a camera girl that's shooting the video. She's my daughter. Let me know how she did at the end of the video, okay? Now, we're going to start off with number one. Now, we have this one that just clamps right on. It has that carbon fiber look that I think is really nice. Although I'm not a carbon fiber fan, I just really wanted an all red, but they didn't have an all red. I think these come in other colors as well. I will be leaving a link in the description box down below for all three steering wheel covers. It is my Amazon affiliate link. So if you buy, you support the channel, no matter whether you buy the steering wheel cover or you buy something else. And thank you in advance if you support the channel that way. All right, with that being said, this isn't bad. I do like the design. It has that TPU kind of feeling. In the center, it's going to have this 3M tape on the back of it, but it has a grip that is going to hold it in place, which, to be really honest, you're not going to need it at all because this clips right on and stays in place. So let's go ahead, let's get started. Even this out as much as possible. And that's all you have to do. Just snap it on. It doesn't move or anything. Check that out. Let's do the other side. And just try to get it as even as possible to where you're okay with the look. But the design is nice. Again, the carbon fiber feel, you got this texture feel that feels nice in the hand. And I like the fact that you can go over it. It doesn't stop your hand. It feels good as if it came with the steering wheel. It's not a bad feel at all. The carbon fiber doesn't bother me at all. I just wanted that red theme look to tie into the red theme of the carpet. Not the carpet, but the diamond mats that I got. And also this ring around the push button start. And yeah, it's not bad, right? This is $15.99 on Amazon. Again, I will be leaving a link in the description box down below for all three. Okay, so what do you guys think? This is number one. I do like this one, but the next one I think is going to be my favorite. All right, you all, this is number two. Now, this one also has that carbon fiber look right here. This has a plasticky feel to it as well. You got this grip that looks nice. I like the design. Now, this part goes at the bottom. You don't want this at the top. It's going to give it a bad look. So let's go ahead. Let's put this on first, and we'll talk a little bit more about this. So you just try to make sure that it's even. I try to line up the bottom down here. And so I'm going to start from the bottom. This shouldn't be that hard to get on. So let's start with this side. And then we'll go with this side. And then what I normally do is poke this end out and then just start wrapping it around, and then I push it on. Now, these aren't hard to push on at all. These are pretty easy. I've seen some videos where they were really, really hard to put on. And this is it, you all. I love it. Now, again, this has that plasticky look and feel, but it still looks nice, right? I like the stitching. The stitching seems pretty even up at the top, which means a lot. When you're looking at this, you got the stitching coming through, this rubber grip. It has that sports look, as you see with the hose, ties into the Cadillac CT6 perfectly, because the Cadillac CT6 is a blend of sports and luxury when you take a look at the exterior design of the car. Now, what I like about this is that it adds a little bit of bulk compared to the normal steering wheel, right? So old school, we used to have it really, really big by putting on a lot of steering wheel covers to make it fat. With this one, you don't have to. It does beef it up a little bit, not overwhelmingly. And then this feels really nice. You have that old school feel. And when the wheel spins, your finger kind of grips this really, really nicely. So I thought this was a nice look for a sports look for the Cadillac CT6. I think it looks nice. Now, this is my favorite choice thus far. Remember, we got one more to check out, but I thought that this was probably the best look. Again, it's going to tie into this red theme here for the push button start. And of course, it's going to tie into my diamond car mats that I got. Those have red stitching. They're black, so it should blend perfectly. And I like the color of this simply because it ties into the color of the cabin as well. Matter of fact, perfectly. And then it has a pattern on the inside as well. Just got to give it a design. But overall, you all, this looks really, really nice. You can move it around a little bit from top to bottom, from side to side. And yes, I like it. Here, it feels beefy. It feels nice. Feels like you have a premium steering wheel cover on your wheel. So let me know, what do you think of steering wheel cover number two? Again, this is my choice. I like this one. I like number one. but I think I like this one the best thus far. But we got one more to check out, you all. Don't go nowhere. And then at the end, let me know which one I should keep. All right. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out last but not least. All right, you all. This is the last one. Now, I forgot to let you know the price of number 2, which looks absolutely awesome. That one's going to cost you $25.99, and I think that one's worth the price so far as the premium look and feel of that particular steering wheel cover. All right. So this is number 3. Now, number 3, I got to say, could be universal, right? Now, this is the way it shows online, which looks nice. You got this red fabric look, right? It has this mesh look as well, which isn't bad. But if you want to, you can flip it over on any given day of the week and you got a different steering wheel, right? I just don't like that the stitching isn't even here. And then, of course, all you simply got to do is just cut that and you're done. But we're going to put it on this way, and we're going to start from the top because that's going to be our guide so far as getting it to be as even as possible, right? So just make sure it's even, and we're going to do like we did the last one. Going to kind of inch it around, kind of slide those end pieces over the steering wheel. Get this other side. It could sometimes be temperamental. The last one was a lot better. Just got to play with it a little bit and you'll get it on. And then if it doesn't work, then just go ahead and fold the back of it and it'll go right on. And voila, there you go, you guys. This is nice. I do like this one. I do like the look and feel. It has a little bit of bulk to it as well, which I like. And I like the way the steering wheel covers feel. I haven't had a steering wheel cover in a very, very long time. And these feel nice. It doesn't look bad at all, not like I thought it would. And that's why I held off from buying steering wheel covers. But it looks nice, right? You got this red mesh look blended with this black. Again, the black is going to tie into the interior and also the carpet, not the carpet, the diamond mats that I got down at the bottom. I keep forgetting I don't have carpet, but this isn't bad. Now, if you don't like this side, you can flip it over and you can have mostly red, but this isn't a bad look. I do like the design here. It feels canvas. It feels premium, okay? And it's got a grip on the inside, which isn't going to allow it to move one way or the other, which is nice. Now, this one and the last one, number 2, has a 1-year warranty on both of those. I don't know about number 1, but they're saying that that one is weather resistant. Number 1 is, all right? They don't say that about these, but this is nice. What do you guys think? I think number 3 is nice, but number 2 is my favorite. That's the one I really, really like. I do like number 1 as well because I like the look and feel. This isn't a bad look, but I don't know about the canvas feel, right? I do like this. Just kind of reminds me of the steering wheel cover without the cover. It looks just like the steering wheel, right? Matches perfectly. So this is a good look, you guys. What do you think? I think it's not a bad look. I think it's not a bad design. And it ties into the red and black theme that I got going on in the car. All right. Now, don't forget, you can check this out through Amazon.com. Link will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching the video all the way through to the end. Hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We got more content coming for the Cadillac CT6 as well as the Cadillac Lyric. And with that being said, you guys, thank you for everything. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy life. Have some fun, you all. And remember, please be safe.